Did you know a king once tried to burn the word of God, one slice at a time? It was winter. Jehoiakim sat by a fire in his palace, warm and unbothered. A scribe read aloud from a scroll, Jeremiah's scroll, words of warning, words of judgment. Every few columns, the king reached out with a small knife, sliced the parchment, and dropped it into the flames. No rage, no shouting, just a quiet, deliberate act of contempt, column by column, until the whole scroll was ash. He thought he had won. He thought you could silence a prophet by burning his words. But God's response was almost calm. He simply told Jeremiah to write it all again, every word, and then more. More judgment, more consequence, more weight. The scroll Jehoiakim burned came back longer than before. You cannot outlast what God intends to be heard. The fire didn't erase the message. It only made room for a heavier one.